Today I've installed the Raptor Industries support piece. Basically, there's this piece here that bolts up in here, and you use your original base bit that just screws in there, and two on this side as well. Basically it's made out of metal because the old one was, cracked. Every single one I've ever seen's been cracked. It's got two screws here to attach, and I guess that's enough for most, but mine actually had four. Had another one over here, and there was another one over here in the original, because mine's a 1985 County, so I guess they put more screws in them back then, thinking they needed them. It's probably why a lot of them cracked if they didn't have more than, or just the two here. But yeah, cracked up here. It was cracked down the bottom here. So one thing I had to do, you can see it in here. I'll just put the light on it so you can see it better. I actually had to cut that bit out because with the County delivered in Australia, we had this vent over here, which has this one. This goes in here like this. And that's for the factory air conditioning. They're not underneath here like you see a lot of the Defenders. It's actually got the fill-ins on the dash there. So this pipe here goes across and into there, so had to do that. Of course, the new style of dash that I'm putting in, which a little bit of effort to get in there. There it goes. So you can see there's just a little bit of a difference there up in the top here. Not really happy about that, but if I can get this pushed back a little bit further or bring this forwards a little bit, I don't know, whatever makes that right, then I'll make that right. Put in some new switches down here. This I'm going to paint black, and of course this is amazing. You wait till you see this light up. But before I do that, I've got to get all of that wiring done. So it's pretty much most of it's done. I've just got to figure out my fuse box and relay box for high load things like the thermo fans and starter motor and that kind of stuff. So yeah, not much to go. And get another one of these for the wipers and the like. That's brand new on this side, and of course we've got the detachable steering boss, which is quite nice. Yeah, so coming along well. More to come.